Parental advisory: don't do this with your spouse.
You have your canvas, I have my canvas.
चिंता नहीं मेरी.
Obviously.
I can make an
Yeah. The painting can be bad also. No, सब लोग मतलब वैसा अच्छा पेंटिंग नहीं बनाते.
I'm telling you, I was born to do YouTube. What is this?
This is a texture painting kit. नाखून है, खोलो तुम.
Everyone, Jay Mota. नाखून है, खोलो.
Ready to create some magic. अगर easy water हो जाएगा, मैं करना नहीं होगा.
I'm like very ruthlessly ripping this off and out of the.
We've been right here, Ravina. What do you do?
Scan to learn makes pro texture paintings. It has 6 acrylic paints, which is here. It has 1 palette knife, which is here. This is the palette knife, guys.
So watching so many of these videos.
I hate to do this. There are 3 wooden spoons, yes. I'm telling you, it's bought to do YouTube.
पहले ये मेसी मार्ट लगानी होती है रवीना.
Yeah, that's what
Invest करने के पहले. I think why don't we do need to scan this right now to understand it.
Let's scan.
I think both of us have come without our phones to the shoot because it's a no phone zone. So we'll have to cut
Do you
it.
think you want to just cut? So now we have a phone. We gotta scan and learn.
So yeah, I think that's too much cement in one.
Like half and half.
Yeah. Just because they've given a big packet doesn't mean you empty it.
But sir, you need to mix different colors.
So then you first make with this much. So डंडी वंडी है mix करने के लिए.
You mix it with the palette.
Enough.
Yeah, that's too much, too little.
But I didn't put the water. Do this right away. Can I have the spoon? Yeah, why don't you use your glass?
Parental advisory: don't do this with your spouse. Maybe do it with your boyfriend.
No, it's very cute. A gift दे दो और फिर मेरा पैरो और मेरे को like आधे घंटे शांति दे दो.
Really? ऐसा?
No, I'm just being funny.
अच्छा. You know, he has to go home with me.
Thanks.
Let's
Ask me how much water they said. No. You know what? मैं अभी इसमें ये वाला liquid डाल लेता हूँ. Put in some. I put some. Very watery, yes.
more.
It's as if she knew this is going to happen with everyone.
Wait. I'll add it myself.
This also you added yourself only. We saw what happened. ASMR कर दो इस भाई देखो. And now, main point. Is this the right consistency? Can I make the painting now?
I think a little bit more.
How do I know this is a paste?
But it won't dry for very long.
वीडियो चलाना भाई उसमें next step होगा.
हाँ, here.
Listen, you can't just use the palette knife for mixing. She said use the spoon.
It's okay, it's the same thing.
No, I need to use the palette knife to like layer it.
Yeah, you take it when you have to layer it.
Bro.
Are you just having FOMO?
No, like it's clear that you've not done art before, but it's cool.
Listen.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Sorry, I have to go back home with you. That was a joke for what is that, TRP or something.
Mine is a little more. This is what mine looks like. I think it's kind of like texturally थोड़ा homogeneous और हो सकता है. Sorry, but they just make me feel like मुझे आटा बनाते समय थोड़ा फोकस कर लेना चाहिए था. शायद मेरा फेस अच्छा बन जाता.
You use yeah, I use mine.
Share.
Why?
Guys, have I killed it with the texture? I'm gonna. So I'll use green. What have you used? Blue. Understood. But I think we use nice colors. We're in sync.
As you have your canvas, I have my canvas. Even if we're not in sync, we're gonna get two different good paintings.
See, even if they keep them at home, unless you gift it to someone, they have to be nice to each other. पूरा aesthetic.
भाई गिफ्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए, पेंटिंग रख लेनी चाहिए, फिर फेमस होगा फिर लाखों में बिकती है सब.
No, you're not going to become a famous artist or something. This actually reminds me of being in MasterChef.
1 second, but how do you know how much patti that you're asking to empty the full? But
because it works. But it also reminds me of being at MasterChef and in a pressure test where you've just gotta figure it out. Shit, I should have made my thing into 2 and then mixed the color in 2 to save time. That was the plan. सुनता नहीं मेरी बात.
अब थोड़ा वहां पे कर ले यार.
I can make an avocado. Can you make an avocado?
सेट है अपने को पता है. Glue डाल दिया मैंने. Now I have to take that thing, put the color on this and make stripes. So I have you give me those purple things. No, that is
Two spoons. 1 spoon. Only 1 spoon. Cherry is
that's a lot. That's more lot than 1 spoon.
हाँ.
Yeah, okay. ये see this is not couples because वो तुम्हारे कपल का एक पार्ट वो पैलेट नाइफ लेके यूज करते रहेगा तो
Guys, you're a proof. I asked you. You can use it. Here.
That's I. Do you think this is gonna work? What you're doing right now?
Yeah. It's art. Guys, why are you laughing?
Is it a 3D avocado? Is what you're oh, I got it. ये सब का मतलब टूल यूज नहीं कर रहा तुम.
करूँगी ना साइड में से.
रेशियो वाला avocado होगा तुम्हारा.
avocado में होता है रेशियो.
भाई 3 लेयर बनाओ उसमें लाइन मारो खत्म पेंटिंग. Adidas.
Adidas. I'm having too much fun.
It's a lot of fun. I'll say that. Like I'm only quiet because I'm
We're not talking.
engrossed.
I think this was the opposite of what was expected.
Well, this is completely natural. Like we were sitting at home, we have cameras put out, and that's how this recording is happening, man. Come on. मेरे Birkenstock को छोड़ दे यार. Guys, I think you need to send a messy blanket along with this kit if you want to have Ravina do it.
One eternity later.
इतना बन गया है. अब इसका करूँ क्या? This is called a kangi.
Kanga.
Okay.
It's all curve कर ली उसको.
Please just stop giving me ideas. It's already. It's like a jail cell is what I have made. यहाँ पीछे अभी कैदी बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे. I think I should have watched the video of what Nidhi did afterwards, no, before I started doing it.
Before you started using it.
All the answers are in the video.
Choosy.
इसमें अभी येलो कलर ऐड करेंगे तो सन बन जाएगा और फिर ये एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट स्काई होगी. ठीक है, अग्रीड.
चांदनी रात.
Fuck, the sun is spreading.
So this is not an avocado. This is actually an avocado mousse with a caramelized onion compote in the middle.
Ravina, I need to use the table, so can you go there a little bit? Thanks.
You know, you can be at the side of the table also. That's also a thing.
How goes?
Or don't.
Guys, we'll do it. Wait. I must show you all. This is why you don't do it with your couple. Now, what do I take care of first? My painting, my shoe, or you? You're not making some things with your friend, bro. This is my area now.
Here, I'm gonna take this. I'm sure Nidhi was not expecting this out of. This is our Lakshman Rekha, guys. Don't try this at home with your spouse as well. I'm just giving a Lakshman Rekha. That's your side. Cordon law.
Yeah, did you see this? What you did over here with the toothpaste or no? What toothpaste? Silicone?
Are you sure it didn't happen on you?
I didn't exact. Just look at that. Give into this.
There's a messy mat.
I'm so glad they put like a bigger messy mat on their table. मेरे पैर पे, चप्पल पे, टेबल पे मतलब.
It's all for the art. It's all for the art, guys. Yeah, this blue thing I haven't put here. The camera is a proof. I'm gonna hear I'm literally gonna make hair calls like 1, 1.
Ta-da!
Oh yeah.
तो मैं भी घूम गया पूरा. Okay, we'll do one more on that side. लगा रंगोली. लिख देता हूँ कुछ बीच में. R loves J ऐसा कुछ हो ऐसा झाड़ पे लिखते हैं वैसे. The painting can be bad also, no? सब लोग मतलब वैसा अच्छा पेंटिंग नहीं बनाते. वही तो.
ये अच्छा ही है, सबकी अपनी डेप्थ्स होते हैं जो.
यार इतना सपोर्टिव क्रू आज तक. ऐसी पे मेरे को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर करके फिर अपना अच्छा बना देते लोग. लोग. What are you doing now, Ravina? It's okay. You've done a good job. Is that for my lips of the Japanese lady?
You can take some. So guys, green had been taken and made into other colors. So I guess I will say that if you start with green, you will be able to get a lot done. Like you will be able to get.
भाई ये सारा भाई दे रहा है मेरे को अभी.
It is like a mukut.
Mukut. I have to use this now to make a lips. It's impossible for me to make lips, bro. If I was able to make lips and all, I would have done it so long ago. अरे दो माल तू कर रही है. You have a better painting than me, so you're allowed to. I mean, the Japanese was just a savior, but I don't know how to make this smile.
That's why you should pick something abstract. You are making an apple on this. No, it looks like grills. As in yellow in the middle, like cavities. It looks like there's Transformers लग रहा है, bro.
Guys, मेरे तरफ से आज के लिए इतना.
This stood a hot day. Quick question, did you guys have fun?
So this was so much fun.
I mean, it was very therapeutic, which is why I didn't talk much after Boys Mango. It was every time I was putting color, the brown was getting picked up from the center and it was becoming sada, bro. Every 5 minutes I had to be like, ये सड़ा ऊपर नहीं हो सकता है.